Hi, welcome back to the Forge. I know it's been a while since I made a video, but I've been kind of busy with orders lately, which is good, don't get me wrong. So I got a customer who wants me to make a forged egg cup holder. So I'm gonna forge at least two different kind of styles, and then we'll see which one we like the best. So in this video you're gonna see me forge a coil spring style, and in a future video you'll see me forge down a pipe using the guillotine tool to form the waist and then the base. So if you want to see that, stick around. But for now, let's get started. Okay, so first off, I'm going to need to figure out how much material I'm going to use. And a good way to do that is to make the form out of steel wire, and then we straighten the steel wire out and we measure it. And for the base, it's going to be the same length as this, just a tighter coil. So now I'm going to make a bend right there where I want it to end. Then I'm going to straighten out the coil. I'll put the bend over the edge of the anvil here so I can pull on it and make it kind of straight. Then we can measure. So we need 41 centimeters times 2. Then we're gonna bend it in half. It will make sense later on. I'm starting off by making the curl that's going to go on top of the cup. So I'm just creating a taper and then start curling it. Yeah, stainless is a different beast from mild steel. It's a lot harder than mild steel. I'm not really happy with this scroll, so I'm gonna try to fix it. Okay, I'm just gonna heat up the middle part here and bend it in half by hand. Then I'm gonna come to the anvil and hammer it down tight. From here, I want to come to the far edge of the anvil and start scrolling a really tight scroll. Then I'm gonna scroll it all the way to the end here. Now that we have something to grab onto, I want to heat up this part, put this in the vise and just try to bend it. I should have done this much earlier. This was way easier. Now that we have this jelly roll kind of thing, I just want to twist this scroll because it ended up on the wrong side. So I want to twist that 180. Then we slowly can start pulling on it to create the spring cup. Okay, so from here I want to take this drift and put it in the center. And then after we heat it up, I can start pulling on the spring to create the cup. Now I want to heat it up and start to refine the shape. The measurement I'm checking with is just a standard medium-sized egg. I want the egg to sit a bit further down into the spiral, so I want to open up this coil a bit, maybe that one, and then clean up the scroll a bit. Okay, so the egg fits really well now. However, it's a bit tall, so I'm just gonna try with my fingers, just push it down on this coil here. Let's see if we can make the base push on this like this. Yeah, that's better. There we have it. Egg cup holder Mark 1. I really like how it came out, and I kinda like the springiness to it. And as I said in the beginning of the video, I'm gonna forge one out of pipe, where I'm gonna use the guillotine tool to forge down the waist and see how that turns out. So if you wanna see that, like, subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one. Thank you.